Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. And you're enjoying your Wednesday. Today you're going to do a Nearpod assignment where you answer 3 questions about communities. Remember, a community is a place where people live, work, and play. So you're going to come to today's assignment. You should have an orange circle. Mine doesn't show up for some reason. And you're going to click on 1014 Nearpod Communities. So let's click on the Nearpod link. You're going to watch the instructional video. You're going to sign in with Google, which is the blue button. You're going to listen to the questions by clicking on the book. You can speak your response by clicking on the microphone and then click submit after each response. And have a great day. All right, so we're going to click on the Nearpod link here. It's going to take us to this page. We're going to log in with Google. You're going to click your NEA Academy account. It's going to say, is this you? You'll say, yes, this is me. All right, so this is just to show you where you can answer your questions. This is what you're going to click on to answer your question. So it says click on the microphone to speak your answer. And if you want to hear any question, no, I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay. All right, so here's our first question. What is your definition of community? So you can hear the question by clicking on this book here and click play. And then you can hear it in Spanish by clicking on the book, changing the language to Spanish, and document, and then pressing play. And then it'll play it there. And then you'll click on this, and you'll say, my definition of a community is, and then whatever your definition of a community is. And then when you're done, you're going to click this pink square, and then click submit. And then go to the next one. And says, why do people live in communities? And then you can click on the picture. This is a community. And then you'd say, people live in communities because, and then whatever your reason is. And then when you're done, click this click this pink box, and then click submit. If you don't like your answer, you can trash it. And then re-record, people live in communities because, and then click this to end it, click submit. And then your last question, what makes your community special? Again, you can listen to the question by clicking on the box. It'll play it. What makes your you can look at the picture. So you'd say, my community is special because, and then whatever reason why your community is so special. And then click this pink box, and then click submit. Sorry, one more question, I apologize. What can you do in your community? So you can click on this picture to show you some ways you can give you some ideas. Again, you can listen to the question by clicking on the book, press play. What can you do in your and it'll play it for you. And then you'd say, in my community, I can, and then whatever your answer is. And then click the pink square, and then click submit. And that's it. And that's all you need to do. All right, have a great day.